Not far from my home, there used to be a deserted castle. Legend has it that it was once home to a prince. The prince had a puppy, but one day the puppy died. The prince was inconsolably distraught and offered a reward to anyone who could resurrect the dog, saying that he would be willing to give anything in return. On the first rainy day after the news got out, a witch came to the castle. She touched the puppy's dry body with her wet hand, and the puppy's fur instantly softened. The witch said that she wanted the most beautiful sapphires in the castle. On the second rainy day, a bird keeper came to the castle. She took a black feather from the strange bird she carried with her and stroked the puppy's head with it. The puppy started breathing again, but remained asleep. The bird keeper said that she wanted the most elegant item in the castle. On the third rainy day, a tailor came to the castle. She took out a piece of white cloth and wrapped it around the puppy. On the next rainy night, when the owls hoot, and you will get what you want. She asked the prince if he had met her two sisters, one dressed in oriental clothing and possessing wet palms, and the other traveling with a strange bird that always perched upon the heads of the dead. The prince said he hadn't. Before leaving, the tailor said what she wanted was a golden heart. It rained all day, and when night fell, the owls outside the castle window began to hoot. When the first bell rang, the barking of the puppy and the prince's cries of joy could be heard echoing throughout the castle. When the 12th bell rang, all returned to silence. The next day, the prince's servants went to wake him, only to find his bed soaked with water and covered with a white cloth. They lifted the white cloth to find the prince lying deathly still. His sapphire eyes closed tightly, a crown of black feathers adorning his head, and golden flowers sprouting from his chest. And the prince breathed no more.